Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ben Masters Premium Trading, and for my next videos I'm going to be explaining top indicators on Tradingview and how you can use them, what they basically stand for. So I'm going to show you guys how to use all these indicators one by one for how to use them in any chart. So now we'll get on to the first one, which is called squeeze momentum indicator, and it is by Lazy Bear. So let's click on it. And as you guys can see down here, this is the indicator down here. And just like the MACD, or let's say your awesome oscillator, it is an oscillator indicator, so it's literally switch between sides from up to down. When it is on the buy side, it switches to up, which is green, and when the market is selling, it switches to down, which is red. But one major rule about this indicator is that it identifies squeeze. That means ranges when the market is not really in a trend. So it can easily identify squeezes in the market. With if you look closer, you can see some dots right here, and you can see some dots right here. This is a black dot and this is a white dot. This is when the white dot starts forming, and this is a black dot. So this indicator, when it is black, as you can see over here, it means the market is in a squeeze. And I told you what a squeeze literally means. It means the market is not yet in a trend. The market is not yet in a trend. So we can see that is white over here, is in a trend, and as you can see that the market is in a trend. And it is in a squeeze over here, and we can see that the market was not in a trend over here. So it literally identify when the market is in a trend and when the market is not in a trend, so you can know where to stop trading and when to continue with your trades. So that's basically what the squeeze indicator is. And I told you, once a red line comes from here, that means it is in a sell. That means the market has started selling from this candle. So let's see. And as we can see that the market moved down right here, and once the market is okay. Now we can see that the market moved down, and Another thing you guys need to note is that once you see it move to the green side, it means that the market is likely to move up, as you can see right here. But what happened here? The market moved down instead of moving up. And why is that? Because we are in a sell zone. We are in a sell zone, and always check your zones, like looking at my all moving average over here. It is red. So I know that the market is going to sell very soon. And if you look over here, you are already in a sell zone. So when you are in a sell zone, just be looking to sell, and if you are in a buy zone, be looking to buy. So you can take signals from this just to sell and to buy. Okay, that's all for now. In my next video, I'm going to be talking about the next top indicator on the coming chart of Tradingview. Bye for now.